Retinol is the most amazing thing you can put on your skin. Listen to this video so you can understand why. What is retinol and why do I recommend it for all my patients? This board-certified plastic surgeon, Dr. Shim Ching, based in Honolulu, Hawaii. I have offices in Hawaii. I also work in the Middle East in Dubai and Doha. I've been practicing plastic surgery for about 30 years. I've trained all over the world, including North America, Europe, South America, and Asia. So I feel I'm uniquely qualified to talk to you about plastic surgery and all sorts of aesthetic medicine. Retinol is one of those things I recommend for everybody to put onto their face and their bodies. And the reason why is that this will truly turn back the clock on your skin. As we age, the skin gets looser, thinner, more wrinkled, more pigmented. And this is why our skin looks older when we age. Retinol can effectively turn back the clock on some of those things so that the skin can look more youthful. There are many reasons how this works. Retinol increases collagen production, which thickens the skin and reduces the fine lines and wrinkles. Retinol also improves cell turnover, meaning at any time your skin is constantly turning over cells. Cells are produced by the body, they have a certain lifetime, and then they die off. This turnover cells allows our skin to rebuild itself, regenerate. By speeding up the cycle, our skin will appear more youthful and smoother. We believe that retinol can protect the skin from free radicals, which are generated by sunlight hitting the skin. Vitamin C also does something similar, so we often do recommend vitamin C in conjunction with the retinol. But protecting the skin like this really helps the skin stay youthful. We do also feel that retinol reduces hyperpigmentation. By pigmentation in the skin, I mean dark spots in the skin, especially the face, that usually occur from sun exposure. So there you have it. Retinol makes skin more firm, more thick, and less pigmented with less fine lines. It is a very powerful ingredient that should be part of everybody's skincare. What do you think about retinol? Please give me a comment down below of what your thoughts are. Please like this video, subscribe to this channel if you like this content. We'll see you next time.